BC Racing coilover installation on the Q50 in under 5 minutes. Let's do it. 2 spring-loaded tabs on the underside of your seat cushion. There's the one side. Push up and lift out, releasing the backrest. Loosen the 3 nuts that secure your strut to the strut tower. It's easier just to break them loose while everything else is assembled below. It doesn't ruin the threads. Come loose. Put the top first. Secure a couple of the nuts on the top side of the strut tower. Seated properly, push the bolt through bottom mounting section, not tighten anything up. Drop it, move to the back side. Remove the plates, exposing the nuts for the rear struts. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. Same situation. Getting toward the end. Portion. There's a little bump stop in here, and this sheath just pops off. BC Racing, we're going to adjust the preload. You want to tighten it, tighten this top one just hand tight. Basically as tight as you can get it with your fingers. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, tighten this lower one up until it makes contact. Use your spanner wrenches to move this top collar up, basically compressing the spring, which is preload. So we're going to be turning it this way, clockwise. You don't even need the smaller wrench, just tighten this one to create a gap between the two. And I think, I want to say it's, maybe it's 5 millimeters, but it's basically the width of the wrench. When you can fit the wrench in this gap that you're creating, that is when preload is set. Okay. Snug it up. And that's basically acts as like a lock nut. Boom. And now we should be far enough in where we can see are the studs. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, guys. Now you're getting this nice and smooth, and you're not forcing it, running threads or anything. So we have our end link done. Nice. The last thing left is to take care of our dampening adjustment. You can see that the knob fits in there perfectly, right? Sort of Allen shaped, and getting it down through the seatbelt opening. Have it in there nice and snug. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll definitely try to help you out as best I can. Again, I'm definitely not an expert, but It was a relatively easy installation, and I'm confident you guys can handle it on your own. Check out the link in the description for the full in-depth video, but thank you guys very much for watching and for the continued support. Big giveaway coming, so make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you in the next one.